Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix WinZip Self-Extractor header corrupt, possible cause, bad disk or file transfer error. As you see here, I have a self-extractor executable in here, and when I click it, I have this error, WinZip Self-Extractor header corrupt, possible cause, bad disk or file transfer error. So how to fix this? It's easy. So first you have to open your WinRAR program, and then you have to select the corresponding file. This one. Select this, and as you see, you can right now open this self-extractor. So we can extract the file to desktop, let's say. It comes, here it is. So you can now install your program or reach your files, whatever it is. That is that simple. Thank you for watching.